Hello everyone, this is Craig with Dawkins Destinations. This is actually going to be the first time that I'm actually going to be giving a hotel a very bad review. So I'm a Hilton Honors member, silver member, and I got to this hotel, the Hilton LAX. Well, I paid $150 for the night and was charged an extra $50 for early check-in fee. And that does not come with breakfast. That does not come with anything but a room that's actually a dump. They put me in one of these rooms that's a dump, and it looked like a cave actually. And I called and asked them to change that room, and they put me in something that was not quite different actually. And as you can see, the hotel is a little bit dated. There's no upgrade that has been done to this hotel, and totally would not sell this hotel to my clients. Hotel LAX, total dump, and I'm totally unhappy with this product because I've been a fan of this brand for years. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.